Hello everyone and welcome to my analysis of Sofi stock. Now this is a financial company that provides a number of services. So firstly let's look at its chart. We have this is like a year, 1 year, so this company hasn't been public for that long. In the very beginning, it had a huge run up, then it reached a high right here, then it went down, went up, went down. Basically, we don't have any kind of steady trend on this company. The stock just keeps going all over the place. And my opinion on this stock is that you should beware of this stock, and I don't think that it might not be that good of an investment. Again, I'm not a complete expert on the stock market, so just take this with a grain of salt. This is just my opinion. I made a similar video about Palantir and how I didn't think Palantir, was a good investment because it wasn't clear on what Palantir does. And there was some other issues with Palantir as well. But with this company, it's a little bit easier to understand what the company does, but the financials are a bit sketchy on this. So firstly, let's look at their website. And let me talk from the point of a person who is just kind of looking at this company, is not very closely familiar with it. Again, from the front page, it's not clear what this company does as well, what its prime area of expertise is. On the front page, we get hit with a lot of different things. Check out what Sofi has to offer. Invest, personal loans, student loan financing, money, home loans, credit cards. Okay, so is this a bank? Is this an investment broker? Is this a loan broker? Because if they're talking about investing, then is this like Fidelity or Ameritrade? But Ameritrade doesn't do personal loans. Ameritrade doesn't do home loans. So this company does everything at the same time. So how can a new company with not that much money in its coffers have enough resources to handle all these different things? They do insurance, they do like everything. I mean, I don't really know why I need this company. I'm like an average person. Why do I need this company? Do I need this company to invest? No, I already have a broker. Do I need a personal loan? No, not really. I have a bank. Do I need it for a home loan? That's a bank as well. Do I need it for a credit card? No, I have a credit card. So it's got this bunch of things, and it's not clear what its advantage is in any of those. What's the advantage of Sofi over its competitors? Because I don't see anything. A one-stop shop for your finances. Well, firstly, when it comes to my finances, I don't just let my finances to someone, whoever. I have to trust them first. I don't know, how are they going to build my trust? And for example, when you compare this to like Robinhood, I feel that Robinhood at least does one thing. It just does stocks, right? And it took me a while to warm up to Robinhood. So I don't know about Sofi. I mean, I think it's too much. It's just too much, and they need to, specialize in one thing before handling all of these types of things. Let's look at the financials. All right. So at first we're going to look at revenue, and then we're going to look at net income. So they had revenue rising on this chart. We don't have the details on specifically which products they are selling. You have to read their financial statements. Maybe I'll do that in the next video. But anyway, we can see that their revenues rising to 69 million in 2018, for 42 million in 2019, 565 million in 2020. That's really good. Okay, your revenues rising, that's perfect. But guess what? Look at their net income. It's minus 252 million, minus 239, minus. So they're losing money on half of their revenue. This is what I am calling selling a dollar for 99 cents. So if you spend $10 on marketing or whatever, $10 and get $9 in revenue, you can do this forever. This company is not cash positive, and I don't like that. It's just this is kind of a Ponzi scheme type of company. I mean, I'm not calling it a Ponzi scheme. I'm just saying that I like companies that are profitable, or at least are on track to show profitability. Let's look at the statistics. All right. Let's look at total cash and total debt. So they have 3 billion in debt, and their current ratio is, I believe, pretty good. I believe anything above a 1 is pretty good. So that means that they're making enough money to cover short-term debt payments or something like that. But I still, if I don't know. I mean, call me old-fashioned, but when I see debt bigger than cash, I think the other way around could be better. But the bottom line on this thing is that the net income is negative $548 million. It's losing money. Okay, where is it going to get this money? It's going to get this money from shareholders. So when you're buying this company, you are financing their debt, which they have to pay. Because they're losing money. Where are they going to get this 548 million? Either they're going to borrow it, or they're going to sell shares to investors. All right, but this isn't even like the worst thing for me. It's again the type of business that they do. Look at this. 100 different. I mean, firstly, this looks kind of boring. All right, this blah 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 blah. It's like law and MBA. Meh. I don't think this company is exciting, and I think its direction is shaky. I would expect this type of a product offering from like Goldman Sachs, all right? A company which has been around for 100 years and has worked on building up each one of those things. So that's just my opinion of Sofi. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.